Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a Lego trophy. So let's take it apart so I can show you all the pieces you'll need. Alright, now that I have taken everything apart, I can show you all the pieces you'll need. You'll need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, let's put these away, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 2x2s, 2 2x4s, 2 1x2 slopes, 3 1x2s, 2 1x2 slopes, and 1 2x2 slope. So let's put everything away so we can start. First, get your 2x4 and get 3 of your 2x2s. Then put your inverted pieces over here like this, like so, and then continue building up. And then build some pieces that go out, and then build your 1x1s, 1x2s to go up. Now it looks like one of those goalposts in football, but we're gonna change that. Let's put this piece here, but ahead of that, let's put some of these 2x2s, and then put our 2x4, like that, and then put our 1x2s right on the top. And that's our trophy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye!